I have a new battery in. I don't know when the old battery expired, but I was very angry because one driver drove into and drove over our important grass that's a part of our research. Our means not mine, but other people's research, and tried to turn around his car. And I was saying it's only like 20-30 yards of backing up, straight backing up, and no cars. There are very few cars, that run on the road right in front of our facilities. So anyway, the guy didn't bother to. The guy didn't even try to back up. It's, I mean, it used our property, and the driver damaged it. Yeah, it is like it. Those idiotic monkeys. I think I should call them they, and call a person like that it. But anyway, it decided to use without my permission. The light was on, and he knew someone was home, and anyway, and he drove over our important grass, and it's not a lawn, you see. It's not like that. It's a part of research, so it should be left as such. Anyway, so I was very angry. I don't know if that part was recorded, and in my anger, I kept talking about this incident for 5-6 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, I don't know. And while I was doing that, maybe the battery expired. Anyway, so I successfully moved all the eggs, of the green tree frog in the container, and I realized like there's quite a few tadpoles were already born, so it's a good thing. So what happens is, you see, this egg sac is hanging from a tree, and it is right above that particular branch is right above a body of water. That's the arrangement. But these eggs were above rocks and above just slope, just soil, ground. So I saved them, and what happens is that after they hatch, they move through, through this egg sac, and they move down to the tip, and then they drop into the water. That's the arrangement. So right now I dipped all of them. There are four egg sacs, I guess. All four of them. I dipped all four of them in water here, and I've already seen quite a few tadpoles, 20, 30 maybe. As I try to move the egg, they came out of the egg, and they are now swimming in the tank. And I'm afraid, since I have like four, I saved like four egg sacs, egg bags, whatever you call them. I would get hundreds, and I'm going to try to grow them until they reach a certain size, and after that, there's much less danger for them by being eaten by, for example, by fish. Right after they are born, even the small a minnow, can eat it. So I'll try to grow them until they reach a certain size, and after that, I'm going to release them to where they originally were, and some of them will be released into our waterway and our reservoir and stuff, and the others I'll try to grow until they become a frog, and then I'm going to release them on the premises of our research facilities. Okay, and I was also showing, maybe it wasn't recorded, but I was showing this poisonous frog here, this guy. It's coiling up, and it's most dangerous when it's coiling up because they use the energy stored in the it's like a spring, you know. You learn in physics Hooke's law and stuff, and they try to the venomous snake. Oh, by the way, I learned that I should say venomous snake and not poisonous snake. So anyway, this venomous snake, you know, it's when they're coiled up, they are dangerous because they use that energy stored in the coil to jump at you. But these are very timid. Typically, they don't try to fight humans. They just try to get away. But sometimes, you know, they are caught by surprise, right? And when they are least expecting to see a human, that's when they attack humans, you know. Anyway, in the past 2 years and a half, I believe, I we caught 6. Well, we killed one. So we killed one venomous snake, and then five more. We caught 5 more, and we are showing this to the kids in the neighborhood, so they would know when they see this snake. You know, some kids like snakes, but you see, when they see this snake, they should just get away. Okay, so, and I guess you also missed my spiel about 2 venomous snakes, 2 species of venomous snakes living in the main island of Japan. One is this guy, and the other is, this is more commonly encountered, and the other guy, I believe, lives up in the mountains, you know, not a high mountain, but not like, you know, this guy is all over the place, near the paddy field and near any pond and stuff. It likes water. I mean, it doesn't, you know, dip in water that much, but it tends to live near some water, some body of water. And the other one is, even though it's poison, its venom is stronger. It only its inner fang, you know, in the innermost part of their mouth, almost near the throat area, they have this venomous fang, and typically when they bite humans or their prey, they only use their front fangs, and there is no venom there. So in that sense, you know, this is the more dangerous. The venom is weaker, but this is the more dangerous. Anyway, so let's see. That's it. So, yeah, as I said, yesterday I went on an excursion to collect more green tree frogs, and today I had to do a lot of paperwork and resting, in the morning resting, and then in the afternoon a lot of paperwork. So I was only able to work for 1 hour and a half today, and I'm signing off. Okay, so see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Until next time. Bye.